हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें और इस वक्त आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं दिल्ली।
बिल पास हुआ और इसलिए अब जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख हो गए और उसी बिल में रिजर्वेशन का प्रावधान था और इसलिए अब ये बिल इररिलेवेंट हो गया, तो इसको वापस लेने का एक प्रस्ताव हो गया। दूसरा, प्रगति मैदान में जो दुनिया का एक बेहतरीन कन्वेंशन सेंटर बन रहा है, देश का सबसे अच्छा कन्वेंशन सेंटर प्रगति मैदान में बन रहा है, वहां भी उनकी जो आवश्यक सुविधाएं है वहां, उसके लिए एक थोड़ी एडिशनल जमीन स्पेशल पर्पज व्हीकल की कंपनी को देने का निर्णय हुआ है। 2 MOU थे, एक इलेक्शन कमीशन का मालदीव के साथ और एक रेलवे का जर्मनी के साथ, तो वो भी आपको प्रेस नोट मिलेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे कैबिनेट हैज टेकन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन which was chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Out of that, 6 are basically the new major legal measures, and therefore this is one important thing that I can just give a headline, but a reservation to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, because that is essentially for political thing, and in the social justice interest, this SC reservation will now be extended up to 2030. 10 years extension has been given. Citizenship Amendment Bill has also been approved and will be brought before Parliament. Then there is another bill of labor. In a major labor reform, this Social Security Code 4, the labor code, wage code हो गया, and all other codes are in process. Now this is the 4th code. With this, 44 legislations will be now merged and improved into 4 laws. The Citizenship Amendment Bill, as I told you, then 3 Sanskrit deemed universities have been converted into a central university. And therefore, we will have a new set of university for Sanskrit. That's a good development. And there is one more bill for taking care of senior citizens, because that also accounts for 10% of society and much vulnerable where they need help, and that help is ensured through this legislation. And personal data protection, which is very important bill, so that has been taken care of. We are withdrawing JK reservation bill because already that has been provided for in the reorganization bill, so this becomes redundant and therefore we are withdrawing. There are